So today we're going to do a little bit of maintenance. So even though our preferred method of powering ourselves up while we're on the road is with solar, we also rely on our trusty Honda generator. We're not sponsored by them in any way. It just happens to be the generator that I bought and that was recommended to me when we hit the road. And we've been using this generator for, what would you say, Tara? 5 years? 4.5, 4 years.
Yeah, 4.5.
About 4.5 years. We put a lot of hours on it. I've been very good about doing regular oil changes on it. Well, we pretty much use the generator daily. We'll use solar throughout the day, but if we have the laptop out and we're working on making YouTube videos well into the night, then we've surpassed the time when solars are good for. So we'll usually use the generator to at least top up every night before we go to bed. So it has a lot of hours on it, and even though I've been really good about maintaining it with very frequent oil changes to keep it running, one thing I have not been doing is a tune-up on it. Didn't really know too much that I needed to, and I did some research, and turns out that you can actually buy a tune-up kit for these things. So we're not sponsored in any way. We just like to make sure we show people that, for one, you are capable. You can do these things. There's tons of YouTube videos on how to. This isn't necessarily a how-to video. It's just a video of things that we do. And there's always maintenance. There's always maintenance that needs to be done, whether you live on the road or you have a brick and mortar home. So, what it is. Let's see here, is the little kit I bought off Amazon, but it came with the specific oil for Honda generators, which is not necessarily mandatory, but why not? It comes with the replacement filters that you put in, and it also comes with a spark plug replacement. I've already actually replaced the spark plug, but as you can see, my spark plug, it was time. I was definitely running rich, and if it's running rich, it can be an airflow problem, which is great that I have the filters to replace, or it could be a choke problem, which interestingly enough, our choke's been acting up a bit. So sometimes we've actually even been taping it there, because sometimes it'll vibrate forward. So we've replaced the spark plug already. The spark plug lives here, so we just kind of pop that out. Use the tool, I think it was a 1316, I'll post it below. And now we're going to replace the other parts. Filters go in here. That's that one. Go. This is the replacement one. Tell the difference. Color. Then this one, it already comes pre-oiled a little bit. So that's nice. There we go. That's how easy that is. Put this back on. Filters are good. Yep. So those are my dirty old filters. Definitely was time to get rid of those. Then we showed you really crappy spark plug. That was long overdue. And now, next up, we're gonna do an oil change. Okay, ready? You better get it. Okay. Cover back on. There we go. Okay.
That needed.
It was time. That's for sure. It is time. Alright, then we're gonna start it. Make sure she runs beautifully.
She will.
Choke forward. Turn on. And pull. First pull. Now I'm just going to let the generator run for a little while. That'll allow all the new oil to go through the system. But yeah, that's a quick tune-up job on our generator. Probably long overdue. Probably make more of an effort to do those more often. But yeah, so excited about that. Seems to be running a lot smoother now too, so that's good.